Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Top Lifestyle. Today we talk about a famous Turkish actor Cihan Ercan lifestyle. I hope you enjoy our video. So please don't skip my video. So let's start the video. Birth name Cihan Ercan. Nickname Cihan. Date of birth 25 May 1984. Present age 36 years old. Actor by profession. Height 5 feet 10 inches. Weight 78 kilograms. Eye color black. Hair color black. Star sign Capricorn. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Ethnicity white. Marital status single. No dating. Years active 2013 to present. Religion Islam. Body type slim. Nationality Turkish. Let's start the hobbies. He is an animal lover. He likes photography. He likes guitaring. Social media facts. He is quite famous on Instagram, 124k followers on Instagram. And net worth $1 million approx. Thanks for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share. See you soon for next video. Take care. Bye bye.